Hi, my name is Kuldeep Kaur and I am from the UK, and I am visiting Nepal for the second time, and I have been amazed in how Nepal Tibet Trekking Pvt Limited has actually supported me in making such a catered for tourist package, and has actually been really exciting and done many things. I am really happy with the service that they have provided, and I have got everlasting memories from the things that they have catered for. I hope to be coming back very soon, because these memories and the experience that I've had has been amazing. So if you're thinking of coming to Nepal, make sure that you actually get your trek and your package through Nepal Tibet Trekking Pvt Limited. Okay, thank you and enjoy.